You keeping fish? It's just a baby. Don't really wait all the way to the top. You push that button, put it right back in the rod holder. Put it right back in that rod holder. Leave it pushed. You keeping some fish or no?
Am I keeping no?
You said no?
No.
Ooh, barely hooked. All right, broke the ice.
Hell yeah.
That ain't the one we're looking for, but
Keep going.
might we'll put her in the live well, use her for bait. Largemouth ditch pickle.
Hell yeah, it's not bait.
He ain't big enough.
Nah.
Honker, honker. Shopping, he broke out the credit card. Now you gotta wait for him to break the credit card out when they win the shopping.
Come on, buddy.
Turn him that way. Catch and release. Catch and release.
Dang.
Catch and release. All right. That's fishing. You can't catch them all. That was neat. No, check the babe. He's not lively. Put a new one on there. He killed it. Yeah, put a new one on there. It's a baby. Just a baby. It's crappy. Just a baby. Just a baby.
Keeping this bait.
Yep. Rascal gonna be bait. Ooh. Shoppers, got some window shoppers. We need to hear a screamer. We need to hear a screamer.
Oh, he's fighting.
He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Honk, honk. Ho, 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 ho. Ain't no derby fish. That's a honker. That's a honker. Push that button, put it right back in the rod holder. Look how fat that turbo football is. Golly. Goodness gracious. Damn, game. Holy smokes, that rascal needs to lose some weight.
Chunky boy.
You want a picture of him or?
Sure.
Let me get you the boga. You gonna hold it like that? Okay. Stole your bait. Watch those rod tips. Watch those rod tips. Good one. That's a 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 good one. Hot diggity dog. All right, brought this guy to my secret spot. Rod tip high, rod tip high. And don't reel it no more. Just put the rod tip high. You know, you leave the rod out and just lift it up high. That'll bring the fish up and closer to the boat. That's a good turbo. Hot diggity dog. Ooh, look, it got him in the bottom lip. Hot diggity dog.
Oh, he's a little baby.
Goodness gracious, that was a baby. Could have used him for bait. He got away though, he got away. Got some window shoppers, got some window shoppers. Ain't no derby fish.
Trying to keep you awake, Kevin.
Trying to keep me awake. Waiting for that derby fish. That's a good one, that's a good one. Honk, 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 honk. Ho, ho, ho. Honky tonky, honky tonky, honky tonky. You don't want no more pictures?
Nah. I mean, unless it's something crazy.
Well, I'm just asking for it, throw them back. Little baby. It's the baby. Little guys like that, you can just swing them in. Had a little striper. Baby. He's small. You can just pick the rod tip up and swing him in. You know, just put your thumb on the spool so he don't pull drag. Just sling him in. There you go. Hot diggity dog. Get away from that trolling motor. Get that line away from that trolling motor. Ha ha, that's a good one. Happens just like that, guys.
No.
Whew, man, I don't know how many you lost today. That's like about the 5th, 6th one. Ain't your fault. They just wasn't hooked good. Let's put them in the net. God almighty. Lift the rod tip up. That was a good one in the front. That one you lost up front, that was a pretty good one.
Yeah.
That's just
that
a
was
baby.
Not the one to lose.
See how he's barely hooked. You didn't want to picture him, did you?
No.
Watch those rod tips. Watch those rod tips. Watch those 4 rods right there, guys. They got all big baits on them. Big crappie, big gizzard, big gizzard. Look at that crappie. Oh, God. That's a rascal dascal there. Hot diggity dog. Oh, my Lord, have mercy. Ooh.
Big boy.
It's a big boy. Honker, honker. Honk, 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 honk. You don't want a picture of it, do you?
No, it's okay.
Woo! Watch those rod tips. Guys, we're heading in. Look at that pretty bait. God almighty. Pretty bait, pretty bait. I couldn't buy a big striper with this girl. We tried though, guys. That's a big old gizzard shad right there, guys. Oh, it's crappie. I'm sorry.